In the following 5 minutes, I will give you a quick start on Scratch. Scratch is running in a web browser, therefore the first thing to do is starting your web browser. Then you enter the address, which is www.scratch.mit.edu, and a screen similar to this one will come up on your screen. On the right hand side you find the sign in button, click it, and then enter your username and your password. Confirm everything by pressing sign in. The following page will appear. At the moment we don't care too much about it. We want to make our first program, so we go to create. Go there and click on it. Then the actual Scratch surface will appear. On the left hand side you have the stage where everything in your program will be shown. On the right hand side you have an area where you can actually make your programs and also do some editing. And on the lower left hand side of the screen you find all the characters. They are called sprites you're going to use. We want to use our own sprite and not the cat you can see right now. So we will go with your, please go with your mouse to the cat, do a right mouse click and go to delete. New sprites you find here in the lower part of the screen. Choose sprite from library. And then you find a whole bunch of different sprites. I choose this one, click on it once and confirm my choice by pressing OK here. There I am. How to make this guy move? Well, we do it here. Move the brick here, and then whenever you're clicking the brick, it will move. A little bit tedious, so how to make it automatic, the movement? Well, we go to controls, then we can go here to the forever, and then when I'm pressing the forever, my sprite will move to the right hand side, but it will not come back. It's stuck. How to move it back? Well, let's go back to the motion, and there you will find a block called if on edge bounce. So let's take this one here. Now it's better, but every time he has touched the border, he's turning upside down. This behavior you can change if you go here to the sprite section, click the eye and click here. Now this looks already rather fine. Now we have a moving sprite. How to make some sounds? Well, that's easy. First we have to choose a sound. We do it by going here, clicking on the loudspeaker symbol, choose sound from library, and then here there are a lot of predefined sounds. All of them we can use. Let's say we are going for drum machine. Choosing, confirming your choice, and then we have it. Next thing to do now is to get this sound coming. For this we will just take a sound brick, this one here, and again, if you press on it, it will do. So now we have two actions linked to the sprite, the movement here and the sound here. Is there any way how we can control both of them? Actually there is, in the events section. This block here, we're now going to use two of them, allows us to start and stop action at the same time. So if I press now here on the stop sign, it will stop. if I go here on the green flag, my sprite will start moving again. Perfect. I want to add one more element, that's the element of changing the sprite. Many sprites have different costumes. Here, for example, this guy has 3 costumes associated with him, and there are also code blocks which allow you to change, to swap between those costumes. How to do it? This time we go to the looks section and we go for next costume, which is just changing to the next costume. And so we also have a chance to see what is happening. We say after the costume has been changed, the sprite should not move for 1 second. Let's have a look. Now we have a real dancing breakdancer. The only thing is you have noticed, no more music. What has happened there? Well, you see here, the sound is played 1 time and then it's finishing. So if you want to continue with the sound, we have to choose a loop, like the forever one. We stop, start, and now things should go on as long as we like them to go on. Before I'm finishing this tutorial, I also want to show you one last thing. What is this? The stage. The stage is a background which you can also define. It's a little bit similar to the sprites, but it's always there. So in order to choose a sprite, you go to the new backdrop area here. And similar to the sprites and to the sounds, there are a lot of predefined ones. So let's assume our breakdancer is dancing in his bedroom. Here we are. Looks great, doesn't it? And now I'd like to invite you to do your own story. Enjoy!